Mere Riders family. Automobile sparkles. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, a name that's been ruling the off-road world for decades. From deserts to mountains, the Land Cruiser has always been the king of durability and luxury. And now, Toyota has taken it to a whole new level. Let's find out what makes the LC300 a dream SUV for adventure lovers. Design, rugged meets modern. The 2025 LC300 carries the bold, muscular stance we all love, but with sharper LED headlights, a redesigned front grille, and aggressive lines that scream strength. Toyota has kept its traditional Land Cruiser DNA alive, while adding modern styling to make it look premium on city roads and fearless in the wild. Engine and performance, power you can trust. Under the hood, the LC300 comes with a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine producing around 409 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this SUV is built to handle any terrain, from rocky trails to sandy dunes, without breaking a sweat. Plus, Toyota's advanced 4WD system and off-road driving modes make every adventure smooth and controlled. Interior, luxury in the wild. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious cabin with premium leather seats, a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and modern features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 14-speaker JBL audio system. The interior is not just comfortable, it's a command center for both long journeys and off-road missions. Safety, adventure without fear. Toyota has equipped the 2025 LC300 with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. Whether you're cruising on the motorway or navigating narrow mountain paths, the LC300 has your back. Why it's special, built for generations. The Land Cruiser isn't just an SUV, it's a symbol of reliability. Toyota has designed the LC300 to last decades, making it perfect for families who value a vehicle that can handle both luxury city life and extreme adventures. Outro, Mere Riders' final thoughts. So, Mere Riders, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 is a perfect mix of power, luxury, and legendary toughness. Whether you're an explorer or just love the comfort of a high-end SUV, this beast is ready for anything. If you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mere Riders for more amazing automotive content. Sport utility vehicle dashing away.